Just when it seemed DJI had a drone for every consumer niche, new leaks have surfaced, hinting at a fresh addition to their lineup. The rumored DJI Flip, a mini drone with a groundbreaking design, has sparked both excitement and confusion among enthusiasts as they speculate its position within DJI's diverse product offerings. Multiple credible sources have confirmed the existence of the Flip, even sharing a teaser video showcasing its unique folding mechanism. The most notable feature? Its ability to fold inwards, making it possibly DJI's most compact drone yet. Recently spotted on the FCC database, the Flip could make its official debut as early as January 2025. Here's everything we know so far about this highly anticipated release. First noticed in July 2024, the DJI Flip was initially thought to be another iteration of the DJI Neo. However, recent leaks reveal that the Flip stands on its own with a radical design unlike any previous DJI drone. According to Igor Bogdanov, a prominent tech tipster, the Flip's folding mechanism is its standout feature. The drone's arms fold inward, allowing for an ultra-compact form factor. Adding to its appeal, the Flip incorporates built-in propeller guards, a feature commonly associated with FPV drones. These lightweight yet durable guards improve safety, especially for beginners, while also enhancing the drone's noise reduction. The duck design and larger propellers are expected to make the Flip quieter than DJI's other offerings, an added benefit for discreet flying. While the Flip's design may remind some of FPV drones, industry insider Jasper Ellens clarifies that it's intended to be a mainstream 4K micro drone rather than an FPV-specific device. Designed for simplicity and ease of use, it boasts a top-loading battery system with dedicated release buttons, adding to its user-friendly appeal. Interestingly, Ellens suggests that the Flip could potentially replace DJI's popular mini-series, which was slated for a refresh in early 2025. This bold claim stems from the Flip's impressive features, which may position it as a more versatile option for casual users and travelers alike. The DJI Flip specs, revealed through FCC filings and leaked images, are nothing short of impressive. A 3,110 mAh battery, significantly larger than the Neo's 1,435 mAh, and even the Mini 4 Pro's 2,453 mAh. This could translate to a flight time of up to 40 minutes, a standout figure in its class. Moreover, equipped with DJI's latest OcuSync 4.0, the Flip is expected to offer a live transmission feed within a 20 km range, ensuring a seamless connection for pilots. Also, advanced sensor technology matches that of the DJI Air 3S, allowing for high-quality imaging and video. The DJI Flip appears to target beginners and casual drone users, offering advanced features with added safety and convenience. Its durable design, quiet operation, and long battery life make it ideal for first-time flyers and seasoned travelers seeking a compact yet capable device. The Flip's features and design could position it as a successor to DJI's mini-series, but it remains to be seen if it will fully replace the popular lineup. While the mini-series has a loyal fan base, the Flip's innovative design and impressive specs might carve out its niche or even redefine DJI's entry-level segment. The DJI Flip is expected to debut in January 2025, and anticipation is already high. Its combination of portability, user-friendly design, and advanced features could make it a game-changer in the consumer drone market. What do you think? Could the Flip become the next big thing in DJI's lineup, or will it coexist alongside the mini-series? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest tech updates.